Alright, so what gaming experience wouldn't be complete without the Pro Controller? Right, so first up we have a charger cable for it, and this is a Type-C USB. So that means that this can be used to charge this, which is quite handy. One thing I really hate about the Wii U is that they had a different charger cable for the Pro controllers than they did for the main tablet. So that's really awesome. Cool. Love doing that. So yeah, this is the Pro controller. So if we compare it to the Joy-Con, you'll notice that it's got a much larger array of buttons. There's the offset here, and a lot easier on the thumb. Jeez, I've already got crap on that. The D-pad is connected, which is good, and the trigger layouts are just a bit thicker. So it is a well set up controller, and it feels, I've got to say, way more comfortable. And a lot more robust as well. That's cool. Let's compare it to the infamous Wii Pro controller. It's about the same size really. The buttons are a lot bigger and it feels a lot better quality. It's a lot heavier. This is about 250 grams, this is maybe 100. And of course there is no connecting cable. If we wanted to then compare it to the more recent Wii U Pro controller, which I really adore this one. It's a bit lighter, a bit more plasticky, but this has like an 80-hour battery life on it. Apparently this has 40, which is still really good. Yeah, it's about the same size. The buttons obviously are a bit bigger and just feel a bit better in the hand. The triggers are wider, so you have a wider setup of triggers there, and these actually feel a lot better on this, a lot smoother, but that may be just because it's new, it hasn't been used. So yeah, all up, pretty good controller. You may find that in the future they have some kind of headset that connects to USB-C. Aside from that, there's nothing here to indicate that a headset can go into it. The grips are kind of plasticky, they're not rubbery, which I thought they might be, so that's quite good, but they feel nice, and it just looks amazing. I'm going to start using this. We'll use this first, and then we'll move on to this. So I'm going to get into it.